Bowling is an activity many enjoy. It typically looks like this. But for individuals influenced by substance abuse, it looks like this. In 2005, a coalition called PRÉVENT formed. This group of 300-plus community members donate their time to bring awareness to substance abuse.
In 2005, we had many professionals throughout all of our schools in particular and community members who came together to say we need more collaboration between all the entities that are providing services for kids. And in particular, looking specifically at kids who were using drugs and alcohol, and then how can we get ahead of it and really prevent the problems that we know happen.
PRÉVENT members work towards preventing youth substance abuse by providing education, supporting healthy community activities, and facilitating networking across community sectors.
Then we applied for a federal grant, and we got it. And it's $125,000 a year to implement community-based strategies to basically influence our community to make it a safer, healthier place for our kids. That's how ESD 112 became involved, because they are the fiscal agent of our funding.
PRÉVENT has influenced local policy decisions, such as a campaign to keep cannabis products out of youth's hands.
We go talk to legislators about problems in our community, and we focused on like e-cigs and vapes this year, and that's one of our community projects that we did, which I really enjoyed. It's a fun time to go up there and talk to them.
I'm in the criminal justice program at the Skill Center right now, so I'm just kind of a voice for the youth in the Weed Can Wait campaign and the marijuana prevention campaign, to kind of get the adults to realize that teens have a voice too, and we have our own brains, and just kind of make sure they're staying on the right path in order to best help teens in their prevention.
On April 27, the Clark County Board of Health recognized the PRÉVENT Coalition as a winner of the 2016 Public Health Community Award. Their group was recognized for collaborative efforts against substance abuse.
Many are community member volunteers who have a passion or interest in the subject. Some work in the field, so we're supporting their efforts in either the schools or treatment agencies or healthcare providers. Other law enforcement, we have a strong relationship with our law enforcement and our school resource officers. We work with those in all of our schools.
One example of working with agencies is the prescription drug take-back events in partnership with local law enforcement.
The prescription drug take-back event is very much a strategy that we have partnered with in our community. So we partner with law enforcement as well as Clark County to create a site where people could come on one day to take their meds back. And the first time it was one location in the county, and very minimal pounds. And many years later, we now we do it twice a year. And we now have 4 sites that are throughout the county, and they're all in healthcare organizations. So Kaiser and Peace Health are sponsoring the locations. And this last April 30th, we collected just over 2,000 pounds of pills.
In Clark County, alcohol, marijuana, and prescription drugs are used by youth more than any other drugs. PRÉVENT's goal is to stop the interest before it starts.
I just like the community connection you get of, the people in Clark County are absolutely great. That's just the main thing I love about it. I love who lives here and who you can meet. It's just a great community you can be in.
For their efforts creating a culture that promotes healthy choices and advocating for policies and regulations that protect, empower, and nurture youth, the volunteers with the PRÉVENT Coalition are our personal best.